Hey guys, welcome back. Today we try to understand how we can delete data within a Excel sheet. So we have right now till now and understood how we can enter data or select the data. So once you have selected the data, you perform various operations. So delete is one of the operations. Operation where you want to remove the unwanted data. Yeah. So suppose by using a mouse, in order to delete a particular data, you need to select it first. So I'll select this data, okay, and go to your keyboard and press the delete button. Yeah, so if I press on delete, the entire data is deleted. And then you can save it. Again, I'll do it for your sake. So if I have to delete a particular data, suppose I want to delete all the serial numbers. I'll select the data and then press on delete button which is available on your keyboard. So just pressing that delete will delete. Or you can, if you want to delete a specific character within a cell, I can also use backspace. Yeah, so backspace button. This way also your data gets deleted, but it also asks you to edit. Whereas in delete, it will not ask you to edit anything. You will not see the cursor. Let me show you once again the difference between pressing a delete button and backspace button. So if I delete, you'll see there is no cursor, a flashing cursor, vertical line which will appear to enter the new data. Whereas if I try to press backspace to delete the data, it will give you a cursor where you have to add the data. Okay. So always remember that when you want to add anything while you delete it, you use backspace. And while you want to delete an entire data, you just select it and press delete. Pretty simple. Also, you can delete the data using some options like if you right click on the cell which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this entire data which is related to name. I'll select that first, right click on this selection, and you will get an option to delete it. Okay. So this way you can delete the entire data within an Excel. Yeah. You can also go to home, use the delete option which is available, delete command which is available to delete the data. Okay. So if I click on the arrow button, and you want to delete the cells, you can delete it. But it will give you this window. I'll talk about this window in my next video. But right now we are just talking about deleting data within the cell. We are not talking about deleting this particular entire cell or deleting an entire row or column. Yeah, we are just talking about how we can delete the data within a particular cell. Okay, so delete and backspace. These are the two keys that we'll usually use to delete a particular data within Excel. Yes, you can delete an entire row by selecting it. Go to the number and right click on it. You'll get the delete option. I'll just delete it. The data is deleted. If I want to delete a particular column, I select the column, right click on the column and delete it. Can you see this? Let me bring them back. Now, how do I delete the entire cell using keyboard? Now, let's use the keyboard. So if I have to select this entire row, I'll press Shift and spacebar. It will select the entire row. Now, if I have to open the options that were available using the keyboard, there is an option for this tray icon on your keyboard. Click on it. You will get an option which you ideally get by right clicking on it. Yeah, so you can use your keyboard to get your right click icons again by clicking on this particular key on your keyboard. And then you can say delete. Yeah, same way, if I have to select the entire column, I'll press Control space. So to select a row, we we used keyboard shortcut that is Shift space that will select the entire row. To select the entire column, we pressed Control spacebar. Then again, the same thing, we use this key which is available, which is the tray key, which will open the menu which is related to right clicking on a particular operation. So if I click on this tray icon, it will open this window once again with all the options that we can use. And I can use delete to delete that particular column. Yeah. So we saw how we can delete a particular data within Excel by using your mouse, using keyboard shortcuts. Yeah. We also saw how when we deleted a data within the cell, what is the difference between using a delete key and a backspace key. Okay. So this is how you can select and delete your data within Excel, rather unwanted data within the Excel that will help you to eradicate unnecessary space on your drive as well. Hope you understood how data could be deleted within the Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel, and do comment if you want me to cover any topics within this entire session of 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because this is the way that you will get all the videos for this Excel sessions that I do every day. Thank you so much.